Morning people, how are we on this fine Monday morning? However, it does feel like Tuesday to me. What does Tuesday feel like actually? Well, we all know that feeling. So this is my second shift as I worked Sunday, but it's only Monday and it's probably only your first shift. Maybe I'm wrong. So today we are on a night out. We're not going too far, but it's just the amount of work and where we're going on Tuesday morning, not Wednesday. See, I'm doing it again. Yeah, so we've got a tip this trailer that we've got on now in sort of High Wycombe, and then from High Wycombe, once this is tipped, could take a little while, we're heading on over to Uxbridge for a collection, part one of 2 collections that will be, and then part 2 will be Boreham Wood. And then we're going to night out somewhere and get ready for a run in tomorrow morning into, now I don't know if it's Wembley Stadium or Wembley Arena. I'm going to start making tracks and I will talk to you a little later. I'm pretty certain they won't allow me to film where we're going. I've tried before and they sort of said they're not happy about it. But if I'm filming just inside the back, they may not mind, so we'll see. Anyway guys, I'm going to overwrite you for now. I'm just going to go and get myself a nice warm hot cup of tea. Vehicle checks are all done, so we are good to roll. So I will see you very soon. Over and out for now. Good morning. God, I'm so tired. So you join me at 5:16 AM on, we're on Tuesday, aren't we? I get confused because I work the Sunday. Yeah, alright, yeah, it's Tuesday, yeah, that's it. 5 hours to load this yesterday. Took a really long time, as I say, so I couldn't really show much yesterday. I did my job into Wycombe, tipped within 10 minutes, a full load, backed up on the door, they just threw a load of crew at it, got it all off. So that was quite good. I asked if I could record and they always say no there, but I do always ask, and they say, oh, unfortunately no. So then we moved swiftly on to our second job over to Uxbridge, where we loaded part of this load that we've already got. Again, loaded within, I don't know, actually loading 20 minutes, but I had to wait for about an hour to get loaded, as there was another lorry already in there. This one that I loaded in Boreham Wood, I got here at, well, it was a 2 o'clock load. I got here for about 20 to 2, pulled up on the door and I left there 7:30. And then, so what was looking like a decent time to finish to get parked up turned out to be a nightmare. I must admit, when I parked up here at London Gateway, I thought I was going to have an issue getting out, so you know, I found 1 or 2 spots available. Getting in was a pain in the ass as well. Took a lot longer than I thought, in between 2 lorries on an angle. So I got here, and I must admit I was a bit worried this morning. Well, I was a bit worried last night about waking up this morning not being able to get out because it's really tight, but very fortunate. Not that I'll show you, but the lorry to my left is still here, but the 2 lorries to my left have gone, so I have room to swing out and get out. So disaster avoided, I would say. We're just going to crack on today. We're going to go and do our tip in Wembley. If I'm able to get the camera out and show it, I gladly will, but Sit. I'm gonna put the trays on there. Yeah, guys, okay? Nice one. Oh, hey, fucking guy. That's big. Let's go. Yeah, would you? Yeah, you got it. Nice. Give it. Morning, guys. How are we doing? So we're on about 7:45 now. We're doing the job at Wembley Stadium. I got here at 10 to 6. They told me to park up for 10 minutes while they get security to open the door. Security actually came to me at 7:30 and said, we're ready for you now. We just need to find the key to open the gate. And guess what, people? That's right, they couldn't find the gate. So here's where we're at. This is red zone for Wembley. That's them there, unloading my lorry. So we're on the west side of Wembley Stadium, and this is actually for the FA's conference that they're doing all week. Some training and conference stuff. It feels weird coming to Wembley, not doing an event or not knowing of any major event happening on the pitch. It's amazing what they use the stadium for. So, you know, training, exercises and all that, which is good, I suppose. They've paid for it, they keep, you know, they've got to save their money. I think this might take a little while, but to be fair to these guys are clearing this lorry quick, man. They are clearing this shit. As I say, it took 5 hours to load. It's going to take less than an hour. There you go, the FA just coming off. I'm going to go get myself a cup of tea and wait for any help if they need me to assist. If they don't need me to assist, I will. If they don't, then I will slurp my tea and enjoy it. Oh, getting there, nearly there. Boys don't fuck about. Back again, like the hat. Perfect time to tell you about that. So I've been wearing a purple one, and everybody at work's been saying get rid of that shitty hat, and I got it from a job that we done last year, Rockstar. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, go and check out the Rockstar video, which is going to be somewhere above my head somewhere. So yeah, I thought I'd buy myself a new hat. Patriotic person that I am, purchased the one that says London rather than England. Yeah, so here's where we're at. Here's what we're doing still. Still getting unloaded. It's been about an hour now. Again, boys, as I say, you got to remember it took a long time to load. Getting this off, these boys have just ripped through it. Yeah, so just in case you didn't know what was around here, obviously we've got this thing here called Wembley Stadium. We've got one part of the parking. So much parking here, it's unbelievable. They must make so much money, and I think to myself, who would pay to park and sit in all that traffic to get to a game of football? Because getting out must be an absolute nightmare. Turns out a lot of people do that, which I was quite shocked. So this car park you see here, I think there's 4 of them, one here, well basically one on each corner pretty much. Let's take a little look over there, see what there is. I mean, I could have gone for a walk down here myself, but didn't want to. There you go, it's part of the outlet centre. It's all inside. We're not going inside though. Anyway, I'm going to go over and out, yeah, and hopefully the next time I come back we're empty and we're all strapped in, ready to go, and we're going to be pulling out of here. Nearly there, nearly there.
Sorry, can you move the camera, please?
Hey, what inconvenience!
You just ruined the whole shot, man. Let's do it again.
Bastard asked me to move the camera.
We need just
Cheers, my brother. Should be alright. that's all for now. Do me it. Got on video. Go.
Your message after the tone. You record your message.
No.
Attach at any time.
Follow me. If you stay there, I'm gonna call the police and wait for the police, alright? We'll wait for the police. No, I'm not getting out, I'm staying here. No, I'll call the police and we'll wait for the police, alright? And then we'll deal with it here, yeah? Oh, well, I didn't expect that today, and I didn't want that today.
Yeah, no, I can imagine it.
Yeah. Oh, they've gone through the lights now, I can see that, so they've gone another way, so I can avoid them now.
Okay.
Alright, thank you very much for your time. So I don't need the police then? No, I'm guessing. If something else happens...
I'll still text you the details just in case something else happens. Is it a company vehicle?
Yeah, it is, yeah, it's a truck, big truck.
Yeah, so just let them know what the situation, give them reference number just in case these individuals try and make a claim or something.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't worry so much because I can see that this vehicle has actually been in an accident yesterday.
Right, brilliant. Thank you for that. I never took a pic. I don't think I took a picture of them, but I managed to get the picture. There's a massive dent on the right hand side of his car, driver's side. So if that's what they're trying to do so they can get that fixed because it was their fault, and by running into me, then that'll be it, wouldn't it?